this is Boss Baby Beauty 16 by Jenny, and I'm coming back to you guys with another tutorial. Today I am so excited for this one because my Tati palette arrived. So, oops, that's my eyelashes that I ordered. So this is how it comes in this package. It actually comes wrapped up in this squishy cardboard box thing. And then afterwards, you have the, ooh, it's going everywhere. And then we have the palette, and it comes in plastic. I'm taking out the plastic here. And then it comes in this is how it looks. So it has like this plastic top, just so you know. And then you slide it out. And then you slide it out, and it looks like that. So what I'm going to do with this palette today, I'm going to do a review on it and swatches for you guys. And I'm also going to do an eye look. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but it's going to be like, we're just going to go with it. So let me open it up. You guys can see. It has a big mirror, you guys. And oh, and had this plastic thing over the eyeshadows, of course, the protector. It has a huge mirror, and I really love this mirror. It's very light, so that's one thing I like about this palette a whole lot, is that the mirror is super big, but you can also hold the palette in your hand and it's not like hurting your hand. So I really like that about this palette. As here are the shades, very beautiful. Love the glitters on top. First we have Memory. On this side we have Memory, then we have Mattes, Sequences, Metallic, and Glitter. And then Ritual would be the next one. Story, yes, the next one. Soothe, Aurora, and then Poet. And of course on the edges right here it tells you these are your mattes, these are your sequins, these are the metallics, and these are the glitters. So it's really not that hard to read. But yes, let's go ahead and do a few swatches on the arm. We'll start off from this end and make our way off from that end. Okay. So the first one I'm going to choose is Poet, and this is matte. And here it is. Wow, really pretty. I love it. And it's very pigmented. It's like a nice wine burgundy color. Next up is Sequence Poet. And ooh, very glittery. I love that color. Okay. Then we have Metallic Poet. And this one is like, it looks pink on here. It's a Metallic Poet, but it's like an orangey color. It's really nice. I'll put this one on top. Very pretty. Love it. Okay, and then lastly we have the Glitter Poet right here. Ah, and these glitters feel really soft. Okay, I have a glitter palette and it does not feel anything like these glitters. Wow, I'm actually super impressed. So here it is, you guys. This is how it looks. Very pretty, very shimmery. I love it. Next color line that I'm going to go is with Aurora, and this is a matte. And let's see how that one looks. Ooh, very nice. This would be a very good base right here. And I'm absolutely loving this sequence color, and it's in the Story Aurora, but this is the sequence. Very pretty. Let's put that one right below. Oh wow, it's like a really light champagne goldish color with like flakes of glitter, a little bit small. Very beautiful. Then next up, Metallic Aurora. Ooh, very nice. This would be like a really good one to use, like, you know, like on, you know, a subtle day. And then lastly, this color is blowing my mind already. It's the Glitter Aurora. I am just loving how it's looking right now. I don't know why it's so pretty. Okay. Wow. Really loving it. I felt like you couldn't see those colors from a distance, you guys, so this is how they look. Okay, so next up I'm gonna swatch the Soothe storyline. We're using Matte Soothe or Soothe Matte. Very nice brown. Digging it. I am digging it. Love it. And then Sequence Soothe. Ooh, check that out. Very pigmented. And I'm loving this color as well. Metallic Soothe. Ooh. And then lastly, Glitter Soothe. This one's very pretty. Wow. Very pretty. Now we are going to go into Ritual storyline. So this would be Ritual Matte. I'm running out of arms, so we're going to do this part. Yeah. Oh, I love it. And then Sequence Ritual. I love that one. Very pretty, very shimmery. Metallic Ritual. Very nice. And then lastly, of course, the glitters. Ritual Glitter. Very pretty. I could tell already. Love it. Okay, and then finally, we are in Memory. So we are taking Memory Matte. This one's very, very silky, by the way. I love the way this one felt. Oh my god, that is super opaque. Wow. That one's a really nice black. Then Sequence Memory. Ooh, this one's very like shimmery and so pretty. Oh, love it. Metallic Sequence. Wait. Metallic Memory. Wow. Love it. And then finally, Memory Glitter. Very pretty. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is use my plouisebase and prime my eyes with the eye primer. Just get my beauty blender. Okay, so the first color that I'm actually going to go for is Soothe. Put Soothe on the other eye. Alright, next I'm going to dip into Poet Matte. Same thing to the other eye. This is what we have so far. And next I'm going to take a Ritual Matte. Do the same to the other eye. Okay, next I'm going to take my eye base and I'm going to prime my eyelids. And look up, and that's where you know where your crease will stop. Look up. Next color I'm going to take is Sequence Aurora, and pat that all over your eyelids. Do the same to the other eye. And next we are going to take Aurora, the glitter, and pat that all over our eyelids. So the glitter does apply nicely, but I think I would recommend using like a glitter glue either by NYX or by Anastasia. So just so you can ensure that you're not going to have any fallout from the glitter. So let's go ahead and apply it to the other eye. I'm just going to use my finger and pat a little bit more on the eyelid. Alright, lastly I'm going to use Aurora Sequence on the inner side of my eye and then highlight the brow bone. And also for the brow bone. Same thing to the other eye. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. What I'm going to do is put my foundation, eyeliner, and then I will show you the eyelash step. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so now that I have my face makeup on, we are going to continue and do the bottom lids. I'm actually going to take Poet, and it's going to be Sequence, and I'm going to put that on the bottom lid. Do the same thing to the other eye. now you are gonna go into Sequence Ritual. Same thing to the other eye. So we're gonna go into Aurora, and that one's gonna be Metallic Aurora, and I'm gonna put that on the bottom line, the bottom eyelid. Same thing to the other eye. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. I know it looks totally wild, but trust me, it's gonna look nice. Okay, so then I'm going to do my eyeliner and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so now what I'm going to do next is put on some lashes, and of course you know these are my absolute favorite. These are the longer, lengthier ones. So we are gonna put that on for today's look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I decided to go with a wing eyeliner on this one. So this is it. This is the completed look with the Tati palette volume 1. Woohoo! I was so excited to receive this, you guys. I was like, it's not gonna come in by the 10th, and then sure enough, it came in actually yesterday, but I wasn't feeling too good, so that's why I didn't end up doing a video yesterday, because I wasn't feeling too good. But I'm absolutely in love with it. I know I did more of a bolder look than normal, but let me know what you guys think of it, if you like it, if you're gonna give it a try. That's what makeup is all about. It's about having fun and, you know, doing new looks with things and being inspired. If you're wondering what I used for my lips, I used the NYX liquid lipstick, and this color is in Baby Doll, and then I used my lip gloss from Lorlac, and this is from the Beauty and the Beast palette, the Savior Fair, that's what it's called. So that's what I used for my lips, and that is today's look. So if you guys liked it, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and we will do more looks, of course, with the Tati palette, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!